Good day class. What we are going to do in this video is we will solve exercise number 1.1 and 1.2 of chapter number 1 class 7 integers. Okay. So what is exercise number 1.1? The question says that following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places. Okay. The number line is given. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. What we have to do is we have to observe these lines. Okay. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? So we have to find the difference of hottest and coldest place. So Bengaluru is the hottest place and Lahul Spiti is the coldest. Okay. How can we say that Lahul Spiti is the coldest? Because the temperature of Lahul Spiti is below 0. Below 0. And below 0 it is minus 10. So it will be the coldest place. And the temperature of Bengaluru is after 20 there are 2 dash more. And it is written as Bengaluru. So it will be 22. Okay. So what is the difference? The difference equals to temperature at Bengaluru and minus, because we have to find the difference, temperature at Lahul Spiti. So the temperature at Bangalore was 22 minus. Okay, temperature at Lahul Spiti was plus 10 or minus 10. It was minus 10. So it will be 22 minus and minus. I will say that minus into minus is positive. So minus into minus give positive. It will be 10. What is 22 plus 10? It will give 32 as your answer. So the difference between the temperature at Bengaluru and Lahul Spiti is the hottest and the coldest place is 32 degree centigrade. Okay, next question is what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So you can find it out. It will be minus 5 or plus 5. Lahul Spiti and minus 10 and minus 5. The difference is of minus 5. Can we say that temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than that of temperature at Shimla? Okay. Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. The temperature of Srinagar is minus 5 and Shimla is 5. What is minus 5 plus 5? It will be 0. Is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? No. It is more than the temperature of Srinagar, because temperature of Srinagar is minus 5 and the total was 0. So which is more? The number which is on the which side? Right hand side is always bigger on a number line of integers. Question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks for wrong answers. Okay. So, incorrect answer. If Jack scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So, what we have to find is his total. So, what we have to do is we have to add all of these. So, how can we add 25 total score? This is question number 2. Total score will be 25 plus minus 5. Then again it is minus 10. Then 15 and 10 plus 15 and plus 10. Okay. Now what we will do is convert the signs. What is plus into minus? It is minus. What is plus minus? It's again minus. Plus 15 and plus 10. What we can do is 25 minus 5, it will be 20, minus 10, plus 15 and plus 10. What is 20 minus 10? It will be 10 plus 15 plus 10. Okay. What is 10 plus 15 plus 10? It will be 35. So 35 will be the final answer. Done? Okay. Next, what we have to do is question number 3rd. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degree on Monday. Temperature was minus 5 degree centigrade on Monday. Okay. Then what should we write? Temperature on Monday. Question number 3. Temperature on Monday. Temperature on Monday was minus 5 degree centigrade. Minus 5 degree centigrade. Okay. Then it dropped by 2 degree on Tuesday. Drop means it get down. And what we will say is temperature drop equals to minus 2. So what is minus 5 and minus 2? It will be minus 7. Minus 7 degree centigrade. It was the temperature on Tuesday. Okay, the temperature on Tuesday will be minus 7 degree centigrade. Then what happened on Wednesday? Temperature rose on what? Wednesday. It rose 4 degree centigrade. Okay, so what is the temperature? Temperature on Wednesday. The temperature will be minus 7 and plus 4. It will give minus 3 degree centigrade. So the temperature on Wednesday was minus 3 degree centigrade. So what is negative and positive? Subtraction. What we have to do is, when we see minus and plus sign, we have to subtract. What is 7 minus 4? It will be 3. And who was bigger? 7 was bigger. Then the answer of negative is taken there. Okay? It will be minus 3. Done? Okay, question number 4 is, question number 4. You can see that what is given. Question number 4 is, a plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above sea level. Above sea level. So, what I am going to draw is, this is question number 4. This is our sea level. Okay? Done? Our plane is flying at there. Okay, this is our plane. Our plane is flying there. It's 5,000 meter above sea level. Okay? And where the submarine is? The submarine is floating 1200 meter below the sea level. The submarine is floating 1200 meter below sea level. This is our submarine. Okay? It is 1200 meter. 1200 meter. What we have to do is, we have to find the difference of the height between, distance between the plane and the submarine. So what we have to do is, this is the zero level. This is the zero level. As it is flying above the sea level, so we can take it plus 5,000. Okay? And the submarine is below sea level, then we can take it minus 1200. So when if I have to find the difference will be 5000 minus 1200. It will be 5000 plus 1200. It will be 6200 meter. The total difference between the heights, between the distance. Okay, this is the vertical distance between them. Okay, next is question number 5. Mohan deposited 2000 in his bank. Mohan deposited 2000 rupees in his bank. Okay, so if we take bank account, when we add something or when we deposit the amount get added there, and when we withdraw the amount from there, then they subtract the amount that we have taken. Okay, so how much we have deposited? Amount deposited by Mohan. It is Mohan or Mohan? Mohan. Amount deposited by Mohan. It is 2000 rupees. Done. It is 2000 rupees. Okay. Next, what happened? He withdraws 1642 rupees. 1642 rupees. Amount withdrawn by Mohan, it is 1642 rupees. Okay. What was the amount at the end of the day? Amount at the end of the day. It will be 2000 minus 1642. Okay, when we subtract these, the answer will be, what is 10 minus 2? It will be 8. What will be 9 minus 4? It will be 5. And what is 19 minus 16? It will be 3. Rupees 358 will be the final answer. 358 rupees. Done? Okay class, listen. What you have to do is, you have to write the unit always. Okay, otherwise their examiner can deduct your marks. Okay, so question number 6 is, Rita goes to 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. Okay, where it is going? Rita is going from point A to point B. Okay, this will be point A. Okay. This is side east and this is side west. Okay. Rita goes 20 km towards east. She goes 20 km towards east, like this point B, and it is 20 km from A. After that, she returned and goes 30 km towards west. 30 km towards west. Done? Okay, what is the difference between the distance? What is the difference between the distance? What she is asking is, how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? Okay, if this is positive, then this will be negative, because if we are taking that from if we go from west to east, the distance is taken as positive. So if we come from east to west, this will be taken as negative. Okay. So question which is asking is, by which integer you will represent her final position from A. So he is asking that it will be a positive integer or a negative integer. So we can get to know it by subtracting 20. Okay, we can subtract 30 from 20, or like we can say that 20 kilometer was traveled on the positive side and 30 kilometers on negative side. Okay, so what is 20 minus 30? It will be minus 10 kilometer. Minus 10 kilometer. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to subtract the what distance, and he was asking what is the nature of the integer that will come. So final position is minus 10 kilometer and it is of negative nature. Okay class. Question number 7. Question number 7. It's my favorite question because in this what we have to do is we have to do some quick calculations. So you can also do that. Question number first. It is 5 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 minus 2 7 0 3 and minus 3. Okay, what we have to do is we have to add all of the integers and diagonally by row and by column. What we have to check that is it a magic square or not. So what will happen is that all the answers will be same. So what is 5 minus 1 minus 4? It is 0. Okay, because 5 minus 1 is 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. What is minus 5 and minus 2? It will be minus 7. What will be minus 7 and 7? It will be 0. Done. What is 0 plus 3? 3 minus 3 is again 0. What is minus 4 and plus 7? It is plus 3 and minus 3. It will give 0. Minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2 is what? 0. No, it's minus 3. Minus 1 and minus 2 is minus 3. What is minus 3 and plus 3? It will also give 0. What is 5 minus 5? It will also give 0. Now what we have to do is we have to check the answers diagonally also. So what are diagonals? This from point to this point. 5 minus 2 is plus 3. Plus 3 minus 3, the answer will be 0. But what is 4 minus 4 and minus 2? Minus 4 and minus 2 is minus 6. And minus 6 plus 0 is again minus 6. So all the answers are 0 except this one. Okay. Now we will check the second box, that is it a magic square or not. It is 1 minus 10 0. 1 minus 10 0. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 2. And minus 6 plus 4 minus 7. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 7. Okay. So we will start adding the top row. 1 minus 10, it will give minus 9. Minus 4 and minus 3. Minus 7 and minus 2, minus 9. Minus 6 plus 4. Minus 2 and minus 7, it will give minus 9. What is 1 minus 3? Minus 2 and minus 7 will give minus 9. So diagonally the answer is minus 9. Okay. What is 0 minus 2? Minus 2 and minus 7, it will also give minus 9. What is 10 minus 10 minus 3? It is minus 13. Minus 13 plus 4 will give minus 9. Okay, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 and minus 6 will also give minus 9. So we have to check the last diagonal. Okay, 0 and minus 3 will give minus 3. And minus 3 and minus 6 will also give minus 9. So it is not a magic square and it is a magic square. Done? Okay. Now what we have to do is, we have to solve question number 8. So I think I can do only one and you can make all the three. Question number 3 is, let A equals to, what is the value of A? 75 and 84. 75 comma B is 84. So we will place the value of A and B in the given equation. The equation that is given is A minus B equals to A plus B. What is the value of A? 75 minus 75 equals to 75 plus 84. So we can say that 75, sorry, the value of B was 84. Minus and minus plus 84 and 75 plus 84. Okay, what is 75 plus 84? It will be 159, and again this side will also be 159. So we can say that both A minus B and A plus B are equal to each other in each and every case. Done? Okay, in question number 9, what you have to do is, you have to use the sign of greater than, less than and equal to. So what you have to do is, you have to solve this out and write down the greater than or less than or equal to sign. You can do it on your own. Okay. What is the question number 10? Okay, question number 10 is a good question. So what we have to do is, a water tank has steps inside. A water tank has steps inside. Okay. So we have to make a water tank. What we have to make is a water tank. Okay. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. Monkey is sitting on the first step. The water level is at 9th step. The water level is at 9th step. Okay. What the monkey is doing? He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps 2 steps up. He jumps 3 steps down and jumps 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Okay, how many jumps he has to make to reach the water level? Okay, he is at first step. This is the first step. This second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and that is ninth. The water is at this place. Okay. Now what he is doing is, he is jumping 3 steps down. 1, 2, 3, and then again jumps 2 steps. 1 and then 2, and then he comes at this place. Okay. So what he has done is, he jumped 3 steps and then again 2 steps. Done. He then again jumps 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, and again comes 2 steps. 1, 2, plus 3, minus 2. Done. Now he is at this place. He again jumps at 1, 2, 3, and 1, and then 2. He is at this place. Plus 3, minus 2. Now here he jumps 1, 2, 3, and then again 1, 2. He is at plus 3, minus 2. He is at this place. Now he jumps 1, 2, 3, and then again 1 and 2. Then plus 3, minus 2. Now he is at this place. He will start jumping 1, 2, and 3 and back to the water. So how many steps he had made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and at 11th step he will reach the water. Okay, he will reach the water at 11th jump. Okay, So what you have to do is you have to complete question number second and question number third of question number 10, and if there is any problem you can ask me out. So you got to know how many steps we have done. First step is 3 and then again 2 steps, but it is backward, then I have said I have used negative side. Then again 3 steps, in the third step is again plus 3, and in the fourth step again minus 2. Again plus 3, then minus 2 plus 3, then minus 2 plus 3, then minus 2 plus 3. Because when he reaches the water level, then why will he jump again backward? Because he have to reach. Okay, so this from 11 is the final answer.